Shytoshi Kusama, CEO of Shiba Inu, has been a bit mum for a while, probably because he's been working so hard at Samarium. But when he addressed the Shiba Inu community, he elicited a strong reaction, curious as to what he said at the reception he was given. Keep watching the rest of this video. Disclaimer before the main announcement. David Gorkin once again announced that he is none of that unofficial leader of the Shiba Inu dynasty in the Shib army. Over time, Josh Stein's fascination with the Shiba Inu grew so much that he expressed sadness over his late introduction to the breed. He is clearly one of the biggest advocates of token, as he has stated many times, that he is bullish about it. When a member of the Shiba Inu community publicly announces that there is an official leader on Twitter, the group responds angrily in several responses. Members of the Shiba Inu community joked that he was exaggerating his 40 years of age by declaring himself chief. These responses provided few details, but it's possible that people might feel that way since Scott's contributed as much as real leaders anyway. Who can say for sure? Some of the comments were pretty salacious, but I still get asked jerk off when I auction off when my shaving cream is ready for some lighthearted fun. This is a common inquiry directed at the Shiba Inu development team. Maybe Jay will figure it out if he continues to make himself a leader behind the scenes, right? These inquiries were just tongue-in-cheek, but either Gobstein wasn't interested in the criticism, or he was trying to escape the sheep or dinosaur community, or sad because he tweeted back so soon after his initial message the community was basically urged to bow to him. This time, the reaction from the community was not, as you might expect, so good. Just when the Shiba army started warming up to Gobstein, one user bluntly told him he had crossed the line. Furthermore, the Shiba army points out in response to Goldstein's recent comments that it hasn't always been a fan of Shiba. In fact, he had avoided talking about Shiba even before the program was launched. To him, memes coin was worthless. Although the locals have accepted his position, they are not pleased that he is now presenting himself as an unofficial leader. Speaking of heads of state, de facto Shiba Inu President Honshu Shytoshi Kusama recently used something of a coded message to the community. The approved initial design is all that is written in the tweet. The tide of empathy and honesty is now turning, and I can finally dig into it. You see why I said that now, right? The tweet seems ambiguous in places, and although he doesn't provide concrete examples, you seem to get his point. Given that everyone in the crypto community is eagerly awaiting the release of Samarium, and since the platform's beta launch was announced a while ago, it's not a huge leap to assume that Shytoshi was referring to Siberia when he made this comment. However, many others assume that she was already burying further speculation that Shytoshi's past interest in the Miami arena is relevant. Some have tried to get more specific information from Shytoshi by asking for clarification, but he has consistently refused to do so. This leaves everyone to speculate. Feel free to risk guessing in the space provided below. Though Shytoshi's tweet is ambiguous, the fact that it is alluding to a project has caused quite a stir in the crypto community. However, according to IB Times, Almi's ship efforts were futile because Kaza, the game's primary creator, refused to answer any further questions. Many others in the community joined in to thank Kusama and the crew for their hard work on the ecosystem. While some saw the encouraging news of the messages, the fact that the official SHIELD Twitter account is also on the community may have contributed to the outburst of activity in response to Shytoshi's tweet. The development team let the community know they were still there and appreciated them with just one tweet. They also tweeted to remind people that she is still alive and well, while Musk and Twitter tried to work out their differences. The Shiba Inu development team has remained in contact with Shytoshi. The Shiba community knows they can keep their hopes up and excitement level high, even when there seems to be nothing to celebrate. In related news, WatchGear reports that demand for Shiba Inu's dogs has been on the rise lately, giving breeders cause for optimism. Despite the continued decline, investors are not alarmed and continue to buy the tokens when the price drops. According to data from the Coinbase trading platform, during the previous day, 96% of traders held their Shiba Inu buy orders, while only 4% held their Shiba Inu sell orders. Moreover, the average vessel retention period increased to 207 days and 7 months earlier. The usual wait time was about 5 months or 150 days. Recently, the token has seen a decline in value. However, this channel is a daily rate of 100,000 charged for a chance to participate in the giveaway. So let's talk about that first. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment to tweet with #ShibaInu. Success to you in this way. It is true that the value of the token has been declining recently. Meanwhile, bearish investors see an opportunity to hoard with some joining the market for the first time, as these purchases could eventually drive up prices. The current situation, while not ideal, is not catastrophic. In terms of acquisitions, Desk is a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency. The site makes buying and selling a number of different cryptocurrencies simple and fast. In addition, new users get a 4% bonus on their initial deposit, so give it a try. It's time to return to the show. Interestingly, this affects what the future holds. Likewise, they seem to be very powerful at the moment. Nobody expects the Shiba Inu to be able to repeat its success in 2021 by the end of this year. Some experts believe, however, that it has the potential to rebound and even make a splash in the coming years. In particular, experts predict that it will have more interest in other cryptocurrencies in the future. They made their claim by using the Shiba Inu as an example of a crypto project's mature tokens. The CryptoSwamp platform, Metaverse, and Binary Exchange Layer are all part of the Shiba Inu making use of an end-to-end system. Therefore, these actions demonstrate first and foremost the dedication of the project's proponents and secondly, the potential success of the endeavor. In addition, CoinGate, a payment specialist based in Lithuania, has just announced that Shiba has achieved another milestone. Shiba joined her family a year ago. In less than a year, it has climbed the ranks to become the 12th most used cryptocurrency for payment gateway. Shiba Army is going strong and will continue to be one of the most dedicated crypto groups for years to come. But such is the recognition of Shiba Army as one of the most dedicated crypto groups to start with. I really appreciate it. The Army, is working hard to spread the word about the initiative. They are quick to adopt and implement any great suggestion the development team puts forward and stick to the project no matter what challenges arise. It feels good to be appreciated in this way. Shib has risen to the ranks of the top 12 payment methods on the coin portal due to the efforts of the community. Shib may have been used as a means of payment on the site more often as the value of the token increased rapidly at that time. It would be incredible if similar or better results could be achieved with other payment processors. This video has now come to an end. I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Additionally, don't forget to share your thoughts in the discussion below. In terms of the YouTube algorithm, this is very useful. Likewise, I would appreciate it if you showed this video to as many people as possible. Spread the word, please.